Sit tall with your ribs lifted towards the ceiling. Feel your spine long and strong and place both hands on your rib cage. Create a small O with your mouth and close your eyes. Now take a slow, deep inhale through that O as if you're drawing in air to whistle. Feel your ribs expand into your hands. Exhale through your O, pressing gently against your ribs, cheeks puffing like you're blowing up a balloon. Now, as you breathe, let these words settle in your heart. Psalms 121, verses 1 and 2. I lift up my eyes to the mountains. Where does my help come from? My help comes from the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. As you continue the breath, focus inward. Where have you been looking for help, for strength, or security? With each inhale, lift your gaze higher to the one who made heaven and earth. Each exhale, release the weight you were never meant to carry. Feel his steady presence supporting you right here, right now. Take one final deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently open your eyes.